Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I am in my storefront in front of all the Thanksgiving items from my store because we just reset the entire store for Christmas. We have a lot to be thankful for. You might even hear the cars driving behind Paul since I am in the front of the building, something you don't normally hear. But we want to offer you a great deal and also say Happy Thanksgiving. We are very thankful to you guys as subscribers to our channel. We would not be where we're at now. We would not be able to support our family without you guys subscribing to our YouTube channel and of course sharing out all of our videos and having all the pleasant comments that come from you guys. You guys are a great encouragement. So let's go ahead and stay tuned because I got a special deal for you. All right, because I'm so thankful to you guys right now, today and tomorrow. So today is Thanksgiving and because tomorrow is Black Friday, we want to have the day off. We work all the time. And so for us to have the day off, we're going to give you 30% off everything on hookedonpickin.com. All right, so you can go to hookedonpickin.com. It's an automatic Thanksgiving sale, so no need to put in a promo code or anything like that. You get automatically 30% off every single thing in the store. We do have some Thanksgiving items, but guess what? We have a bunch of Christmas items, toys, all sorts of fun things that we just unboxed, even from the unboxing earlier this week. And so definitely check it out. Snatch up a bunch of stuff, put it in your cart so that you get those great deals. 30% off the entire hookedonpickin.com store. And what I want to know from you is, what's one thing you're thankful for? Leave it in the comment section below. I think I'm going to, after this video drops, read a bunch of the comments and share it with our family and our Hooked on Pickin employees so that they can know exactly what you guys are thankful for. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.